Agnes of Los Angeles, California. Good evening, Pastor and Mayor. Mayor, is Davao City ready for federalism?
I think Mindanao is. If you talk about federalism, it would affect the island of Mindanao, and it's a dream. It's the swan song ng Mindanao. Federalism. I think with a big, siguro nakalimutan ko ng figures. But with 160 billion, we can run the country.
Do we have that in Mindanao, Mayor?
140, Pastor. But we can, on our own. Kasi hindi kasali yung mga iba-ibang ano dyan mga local taxes which we can reorient and rearrange. But I would never advocate for the federal separate country or federal state at the expense of the Republic. I am not ready to destroy the map that I see or that I have seen since childhood. Yung mapa na Pilipinas, gusto ko yung yan. Tanggalin mo yan, isang mapa, isang island na lang, mahirap yan. You know what is hard for the Filipinos to attain that? Maraming hindi nakakuha niyan. Sabi nila madali. Very hard. Ngayon ang Davao City, it's a melting pot. There's a lot of tribal representations dito. Ilocano, marami dito. North Davao, North Cotabato, almost ang ano diyan, Ilocano, Ilonggo dito sa Davao. South Cotabato is Ilonggo. Davao City is a mixture of Bulanons, Liteños, Cebuanos. Alam mo, you have to explain to them na ganito yan. It is not really, kung magpayag yan, o hindi magpayag, it's because that he would never allow to cut the psychological umbilical cord. Pagkakaya ng Cebuano, magsabi yan, paano yung mga Cebuano? Kababayan niya, kadugo niya yung iba eh. Hindi, wala na sila, hindi nagkasaya. Hindi. Paano yung nanay ko doon sa Bohol? Iwan ko kasi yung ibang anak nasa Bohol, yung nanay no. Tapos mag-separate ka dito. Paano kung magpunta yung nanay ko dito? Kailangan na ng bagong passport. Ibig sabihin, hindi na sila makapasok. Hindi na. The hardest to overcome is the psychological umbilical cord of Filipinos. Ganyan ang mga taga-Pangasinan, Pampanga. Sabihin nila, yung mga nanay nila, noon buhay pa eh. So, hindi, ganito na, may republic, meron sarili tayong, Tapos sabihin, pagpunta yung nanay nila, may passport na. May sabi, kalukuhan dyan. Kaya, you have to, mahirap. Sabi nila madali lang. Hindi nila nasilip dito for those people who advocate
That's right,
the separation of it.
It
is not a question of, well, of course, the Great Divide is nothing exaggerated, but religion.
Yeah.
Diyan, pero yung even convincing the Christians to separate, mahirap yan. It's not, sabi mo, what do they care about figures? Oh, we'll be earning 160, I can double the pay of the policeman. Okay, sabihin, pero paano yan? No? Wala na, separate na talaga. Bagong presidente. Tapos mag-isip siya, paano yung Tagalite na kapatid niya? Yung native land niya doon sa Bulacan. Yun ang pinaka-mahirap. Hindi nila nakuha yan eh.
Yun hindi nakita.
No, I'm sure. I've talked about it privately, but this is the first time that I make it public.
Tama.
Hindi nila nakuha yung the greatest hindrance.
That's the psychological talaga.
Is the
mahirap.
connection.
Yung connection mo.
Kasi ako, every time that I get the opportunity, I'd always be happy to pass by Cebu. And go to Danao City because it is there where my ancestors are buried. Pupunta ako doon sa cemetery, I light the candle and sabihin ko doon, Lord, even though I never saw you in my lifetime, kasi wala pa man. Pero pupunta ako doon kasi nandoon yung ancestors na. Doon ako yung, sa Leyte, doon ako pinanganak. So, paano yan? Hindi na ako makapunta ng Maasin. May kalukuhan yan.